Merciful. Miss Lovecraft sent me. Phantom what opera? The boy who predicted earthquakes. The hand of Borgus Weems. Lone survivor. The doll. Pamela's voice. Clean kills and other trophies. Make me laugh. Certain shadows on the wall. The house. The little black bag. Room with a view. A dead man. The housekeeper. Night gallery pilot movie.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.